Okay. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Boss and I am a total idiot. I am going to be sampling the wonderful Bhut Orange Copenhagen crossed with Aji Pineapple pepper today. This is one I got seeds from my buddy Capsicodium in the pepper lovers community a couple seasons back. Last year my plant didn't survive, user error. This year it did. It put on quite a few of these mean looking pepper pods. So the Bhut Orange Copenhagen, well, Bhut is ghost. This variety is an orange Copenhagen? No. That variety is kind of an orange, I don't know what the cross genetics history of it is, but it's a brutally hot orange ghost pepper derived super hot. The Aji Pineapple, however, is a very delicious and lower heat, but still hot capsicum bacatum. I have featured it on this channel before, I do believe. I'll try and remember to link it or something. Otherwise, just search for it. You'll probably find my stupid face eating that pepper. I love the way this plant grew. I love the way these pods look. They almost all had different types of tails. This one right here really just kind of exemplifies the meanest looking pepper that I grew on the plant this year. You know, some of the others are nothing to laugh at though. I've been putting this off, I'm not gonna lie. This is really gonna hurt, so let's just go ahead and slice it open, take a look inside, and find out why I didn't want to do this. See if we can get a good one-handed chop. Not bad. Inside, not a ton going on there. Good shape, it's oily. It has a decent number of seeds attached to that placenta in the middle. Check out the other half, a lot more of the same. Fairly thin walls, pretty typical of a hot pepper like that. It smells hot. It smells real hot. Oh, God. So look, very floral smelling. Bhut Orange Copenhagen crossed with Aji Pineapple. I don't want to do this. It's time to taste the pain. Well, hot right off the bat. Chewed up as much as I can. I ate barely half of that half because I don't really want to burn myself alive tonight, figuratively speaking. Oh, okay. So I'm not crazy about the flavor. It is pretty perfumey floral. That's real hot. I mean, like, that is spreading and building across my mouth. Tip of my tongue just radiating pain back across my mouth. That's a bad time right there. Oh my goodness. Overall, the flavor was just floral. Not a lot of sweetness, very little to no fruitiness. Feeling it. I'm feeling it. Ooh, heat level is habanero plus. It just keeps building. That's what's really annoying here. It does have that typical capsicum burn, which is a little bit flatter, but I'm telling you, the tip of my tongue right now is just absolutely bonkers hot. It really feels like I just licked the burner of a lit stove or something. Wow. I knew it was going to be hot. Admittedly, this is again, end of season. I haven't actually eaten peppers in a few days because I thought I was done tasting, and then I remembered these were in the fridge still. So I had to have them. I regret that decision. Wow. Interestingly enough, something that happens rarely, but my ears actually burn a little bit. So I've heard people talk about that. I'm like, what? But yeah, right in the eardrum, inside of your ear, I don't know. I can feel a little bit of tingle and burn. That ain't pleasant. Yeah, that's a super hot. That is a very hot pepper. Maybe it's not technically a million Scoville heat units, but that is stupid hot. I'm sweating. I don't know how much you can see that. My eyes didn't water too much, which is nice. I can breathe. I was a little stuffy. I am not stuffy anymore, I can tell you that. The heat has peaked. I'm gonna have a little bit of ice water because that's, holy crud. That's a hot one. Bhut Orange Copenhagen crossed with Aji Pineapple. I don't know if I'll grow it again other than just to use it for hot sauces. It does have a good flavor to use in a really hot sauce. Mean looking pods, a lot of heat. I ate a quarter of one there and ouch. I mean, there's a quarter of it left that I'm totally not gonna eat, but whew. If you wanna see me eat an even hotter pepper though, check out this video of me enjoying the big black mama pepper. If you wanna see me list out my favorite micro dwarf tomatoes this year, check out this video here. Even though it's making my mouth feel like hot lava, plants help us grow.